Hey guys, let me show you how to change keyboard color on this Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. Let's get started. As a first step, we need to download this application LED Keyboard, and after this we need to set this keyboard as a default. For this, just open Settings and go in the General Management tab. And here you need to select Keyboard List and Default and activate LED Keyboard by tapping on this switcher. Great! And now we need to go in Default Keyboard and switch Samsung to LED Keyboard. So now just open this application LED Keyboard and let's choose a style for it. So just wait a couple of seconds, then skip the advertising, and here you can see many options for your keyboard. Let's choose this one, RGB Luxury, and then tap Download for free. So after this you'll be able to see this information about applied theme, and let's check it. I'm gonna open Messages, and here is my new keyboard. If you wanna switch to a default one, just open Settings as before, and for the default keyboard choose Samsung one, and it will be now as a default keyboard. So that's it. Hope this video was useful for you, and thank you so much for watching.